tapos manaki Gmail, 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 Gmail.
Whoa, whoa, yeah. Sometimes we laugh and sometimes we cry, but I guess you know now, baby. I took a half and she took the whole thing. Slow down, baby. We took a trip, now we on your block and it's like a ghost town, baby. Where did these be at when they say they doing all this and all that? Tired of beefing you bums, you can't even pay me enough to react. Been waking up in the crib and sometimes I don't even know where I'm at. Please don't play that songs in this party, I can't even listen to that. Anytime that I run into somebody, it must be a victory lap. Hey, shawty come sit on my lap. Hey, they saying Drizzy just snap. This is between us, it's not like a store, this isn't a closable gap. Hey, I see some attack and don't end up making it back. I know that they at the crib going crazy down bad. What they had didn't last, damn baby. Sometimes we laugh and sometimes we cry, but I guess you know now, baby. I took a half and she took the whole thing. Slow down, baby. We took a trip, now we on your block and it's like a ghost town, baby. Where did these be at when they say they doing all this and all that?
I'm in the trenches, relax. Can you not pet that little boy in the club? Cause we do not listen to rest. We in Atlanta, I buy her wig. She telling me Tay is the best. Pointed at who act like a killer, but you only one from the net. I'm like the baby, I'm not just a rapper. You play with me, you gon' get stretched. Bring Drake to the hood, surround Drake round. Even though I got a case, I'ma do what it take.
And I never been embraced, and the money's hard to make, so I bet they on their face right now. I know that they at the crib going crazy down bad. What they had didn't last, damn baby. Sometimes we laugh and sometimes we cry, but I guess you know now, baby. I took a half and she took the whole thing. Slow down, baby. We took a trip, now we on your block and it's like a ghost town, baby. Where did these be at when they say they doing all this and all that? When he tell the story, that's not how it went. No, they be lying 100%. Moved out of the risk and forgot about the bend. Now they just called me to tell me come get it. Now that boy off and I don't want no credit. If it was me, they wouldn't regret it. Left me for dead and now they won't dead it. Yeah. Heart is still beating, my still eating. Backyard it look like the garden eating. Pillow talk with him, she spilling the tea. And then shawty came back and said she didn't mean it. It's hard to believe it. I know that they at the crib going crazy down bad. What they had didn't last, damn baby. Sometimes we laugh and sometimes we cry, but I guess you know now, baby. I took a half and she took the whole thing. Slow down, baby. We took a trip, now we on your block and it's like a ghost town, baby. Where they be at when they say they doing all this and all that?
Biggest Chanel back in the store if you want it. I gave them the drip, they sucked it up, I got them on it. I bought a new paddock, I had to watch, so I two-toned them. Taking these drugs, I'm gonna be up until the morning. It ain't your car, you just a lease, so you don't own it. If I'm in the club, I got that fire when I'm performing. The back end just came in and all corners. Vibes galore cute, they all on us. I'm from Atlanta where young niggas run shit. I know they hating on me, but I don't read comments. Whenever I tell her to come, she coming. Whenever it's smoke, we ain't running. Look too hard, don't stand too close. You gon' fuck around the town. Off this way, doing all these shows. I've been on the road, I don't care where I go, long as I get paid. That little vibe, tripping on my mind. As long as I get back, shit and shit. Do this all the time, this ain't no surprise. Every other night, another movie get made. Look too hard, don't stand too close. You gon' fuck around the town. Off this way, doing all these shows. I've been on the road, I don't care where I go, long as I get paid. That little vibe, tripping on my mind. As long as I get back, shit and shit. Do this all the time, this ain't no surprise. Every other night, another movie get made.
Every other night another dollar getting made. Every other night started with a good day. I feel like a child, I got boogers in the face. I'm dancing in the dollar, this is a parade. I don't want your train, I'm going out of state. I hate that shot that too many bitches getting saved. Yes, I with me, so I take a private plane. Get like a wild western on my hand. You too hard to the car, to the center, to the ground, like a brother's better name. You too hard, touching on the floor, you gon' walk around and try and run it away.
Drip too hard, don't stand too close. You gon' fuck around and drown off this way. Doing all these shows, I've been on the road. I don't care where I go, long as I get paid. That little vibe, tripping on my mind. As soon as I get back, shit and shit. Do this all the time, this ain't no surprise. Every other night, another movie get made. Drip too hard, don't stand too close. You gon' fuck around and drown off this way. Doing all these shows, I've been on the road. I don't care where I go, long as I get paid. That little vibe, tripping on my mind. As soon as I get back, shit and shit. Do this all the time, this ain't no surprise. Every other night, another movie get made. Too hard, don't stand too close. You gon' fuck around and drown off this way. Doing all these shows, I've been on the road. I don't care where I go, long as I get paid. That little vibe, tripping on my mind. As soon as I get back, shit and shit. Do this all the time, this ain't no surprise. Every other night, another movie get made.
I'm just working in the studio. Listening. Really pop up. Alright.
You always talking about it. You never making no profit. I treat my hoes like an option. If she talking, then get out of pocket. I'm living life like a rock star, pulling up stretch limousines. So look at me, that costs a fee. The double C's all on my feet. You always talking about it, yeah. You always talking about it. You say that you run in the body, yeah, but I see that you cap a body. Living life like a rock star, pulling up stretch limousines. So look at me, that costs a fee. Them double C's all on my feet. I changed my color to Nipsey blue. Your rest to get smart, that shit pitiful. If you tryna get so physical, that 4-5 will make you invisible. I'm living my life like a criminal. I caught this shit first 48. We're quiet, there's no one to blame. Yeah, my lawyer said we beat the case. I'm living my life celebration. I'm thinking the Lord, I got patience. I'm loving the way that she take it. Hop in it, I fold it, I flip it. She bringing it back just to prove it. I'm giving her work just to move it, yeah. I'm living the life that I'm choosing, yeah. I'm getting these racks, getting stupid, yeah. You always talking about it. You never making no profit. I treat my hoes like an option. If she talking, then get out of pocket. I'm living life like a rock star, pulling up stretch limousines. So look at me, that costs a fee. The double C's all on my feet. You always talking about it, yeah. You always talking about it. You say that you rapping about it, yeah, but I see that you cap a body. Living life like a rock star, pulling up stretch limousines. So look at me, that costs a fee. Them double C's all on my feet. Pull up with a drum like I'm Tommy Lee. Yo, I got a stick, ain't no rock with me. Million wrist, ain't no rocks on me. I'm pretty as fuck, wanna copy me. I heard you was mad cause I'm popping this shit. Wow. I'm popping the plane and I'm popping that bitch. Wow. I hop out the plane and went straight to the whip. I know they can see. I think that's really cool if you asking me. Bugatti, nobody roll. Curtains in back of the candy roll. You never make it no profit. I treat my hoes like an option. If she talking, then get out of pocket. I'm living life like a rock star, pulling up stretch limousines. So look at me, that costs a fee. The double C's all on my feet. You always talking about it, yeah. You always talking about it. You say that you rapping about it, yeah, but I see that you got a body. Living life like a rock star, pulling up stretch limousines. So look at me, that costs a fee. Them double C's all on my feet. I'm living life like a rock star, pulling up stretch limousines. Look at me, that costs a fee. The double C's all on my feet. You always talking about it, yeah. You always...
Hey, teach me how to dug it, hey. They be like, Smooth, what? Can you teach me how to dug it? You know why? Cause all the bitches love me. All I need is a beat that's super bumpin'. And for you to back it up and dump it. Get it. Put your arms out front, lean side to side. They gon' be on you when they see you hit that Dougie ride. Ain't nobody fucking with my bro from Morningside. He go by Bubba and he hit that dance like thunder. Okay, I ain't from Dallas, but I D-Town boogie. I show my moves on there, everybody tryna do me. I lead the functions and all the ladies tryna screw me. Now you just do you, and I'ma do me all day. Niggas love to hate, so they try to shoot me. Bitches be stuck to me, I think they try to glue me. I make the party shine bright when it started gloomy. This beat was bubble gum, so I had to chew it.
Taste me how to dug, taste me how to dug, taste me how to dug, taste me how to dug.
All my bitches love me, all my bitches love me. All my bitches love me. You ain't fucking with my Dougie.
Taste me how to dug, taste me how to dug, taste me how to dug, taste me how to dug.
All my bitches love me. All my bitches love me. All my bitches love me. You ain't fucking with my Dougie.
The name is Young. For them dudes who don't know me, I know I'm from the West, but I can teach you how to Dougie. I step up in the club and all these bitches bug me. On the nigga dancing, none of them know me. I hear the squad screaming like, hey, get it, Brody. So I move my shoulders and I take it real low. They like how we do that, he can Dougie on the floor. And when that nigga stop, they like Dougie some more. I'm like a nigga kinda tired and I pass it to the bro and boom. Show these cats how to do that. Down south dance that we learned a little too fast and brought it to the hood and got the whole crew ass.
Taste me how to dug, taste me how to dug, taste me how to dug, taste me how to dug.
All my bitches love me. All my bitches love me. All my bitches love me. You ain't fucking with my Dougie.
Taste me how to dug, taste me how to dug, taste me how to dug, taste me how to dug.
All my bitches love me. All my bitches love me. All my bitches love me. You ain't fucking with my Dougie.
Hey.
Yeah. Pull up in Lexus like it's 07. I just hit a lick, gotta hit the next one. Actually, I know you learned your lesson. I can GPS you if you need addressing. Just saw about the bigger homie, but I'm 1 year older than my little homie. 09, it was spitting on me, but I'm young, money got it written on me. Okay, now we got some action. Everything we said it happened. That boy light is Michael Jackson. Put on verses, he been blacking. Chasing women, a distraction. They will be on TV right next to me. You cannot be here right next to me. You see me right next to me. I hate a rapper especially. They feel the same but they hide it. They just discuss it in private. Don't get along, man, we tried it. What's the point in even trying? I hate a goofy especially. They always dying to mention me. They gotta die out eventually. I cannot give you the recipe. You know the game is so separately. Swear I just had an epiphany. Cost me 50 at Tiffany's. Shout out to Tiffany Stephanie. You used to always come check for me. My enemies wanna be friends with my other enemies. I don't let it get to me. Look what I done in my life. I had to count it again to make sure the money was right. They know the talk. Me on
Somente por hoje eu andaria milha só pra ser seu psicólogo. Montaria diálogos, decifraria o catálogo monocromático. Aqui tudo vai bem, me apaixonei no eu só. Talvez não seja tão bom o efeito dominó. Pois é, eu tropecei nos meus pecados. Vi gente decapitada comendo seus próprios calos. Minha doença é enxergar tudo que bate. Ter coragem de falar, mas não tá pronto pro combate. Vivas, a dor é fundamento pra limpar o entendimento, pra trazermos-nos para os passos quânticos. Ser dois ao mesmo tempo não me contaminará. Dois na alma pra entender todo o declínio. Linha de entendimento não é linha de raciocínio. Hoje o céu se abriu, só com pássaros mudos. Cor preta de vinil em nosso baile de surdos.
Amor, fica mais perto de mim, vem. Com suas pétalas que formam um livro aberto que vivemos. Tantas lembranças que transbordam. Meu momento, seu abraço me transmite disforme. Uma voz, minha vida, que seu livro é uma porta. Seu olhar, minha calma, sua voz, tranquiliza. É uma paz que se forma de noite, hoje dia. Da minha metade cultivei poemas que fiz pra você. Nada disso troca quando sempre pensou que você foi pra mim. Imaginei tudo só naquela vez que eu corri pra te ver. Tudo resiste.
Could be the last time that we fall in love again. Oh, and I just can't believe the love I'm in. No, I'm never gonna stop.
Turn me up some
Never
more.
gonna